As we begin another week of service, I first extend my appreciation to every police officer across the country. Your hard work on ground continues to protect our communities and preserve public order. Last week, we sustained operational momentum. In Binondo, a murder case was swiftly solved through the immediate arrest of the suspects. In Cebu, our operations led to the seizure of approximately 138 million worth of smuggled goods, striking a major blow against illicit trade networks. At Mandawi Port, authorities dismantled an illegal fuel operation valued at 20.5 million, resulting in the arrest of 30 individuals. Within 7 days, 133 million worth of illegal drugs was intercepted at NAIA. These are not isolated numbers. These are outcomes. These are results delivered through coordination, intelligence, discipline, and decisive action. This is what professionalism produces. I also commend our Special Action Force team for their performance at the UAE SWAT Challenge held from February 7 to 11 in the United Arab Emirates. From 25th place last year to 14th place this year. This improvement reflects preparation, discipline, and relentless training. Ganon din kay Police Major Inar Vic Florese, who graduated at the top of his class during the International Police Exchange Program held at the Abu Dhabi Police College, besting 51 other international student officers from 35 countries. You have demonstrated that the Filipino police officer can compete and excel on the global stage. Nakaka-proud kayo. We must also acknowledge that there are issues that challenge the integrity of our organization. Uulitin ko, the misconduct of a few will never define this organization, but neither will it be tolerated. Every action taken by a police officer reflects on the entire Philippine National Police. Protect the badge, protect the uniform, protect the trust of the people. In the coming days, public assemblies are expected in connection with the so-called trillion peso marks, coinciding with the 40th anniversary of the EDSA People Power. Our deployments are already in place. Our posture is clear. We respect constitutional rights. We ensure public safety. And we enforce the law without bias. To all deployed personnel, remain professional, neutral, and disciplined. Exercise maximum tolerance. Avoid unnecessary confrontation. Do not be provoked. The strength of a police officer is measured not by force, but by restraint and sound judgment. The EDSA anniversary is a reminder of democratic institutions and the rule of law. As members of the Philippine National Police, we do not take political positions. We uphold the Constitution. We maintain peace and order. We serve the people. As we move forward, this week, stay focused, stay disciplined, sustain operational excellence, and continue to demonstrate that the Philippine National Police is capable, accountable, and committed to service. Let us continue building a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.